The unavailability of the newest iPhone in China spells massive profits for the country's black market dealers. Researchers say that as many as 5 million units of the iPhone 6 are expected to enter the Chinese mainland even before its official launch. Some black market sellers have already accepted pre-orders of the 16GB iPhone 6 for around $1,300, which is double its original price.
The soaring demand of the new Apple iPhone means vendors can arbitrarily jack up its retail price. The unavailability of the smartphone in China makes it an even more precious commodity that can reap a markup of 50 to 150%, which is even better than stock trading. Many see this as a profitable venture and have been pre-ordering massive stocks from Apple's Hong Kong website. However, it will not be smooth sailing for black marketers to sell the device in mainland China. They would be circumventing China's regulations, which mandate that only phones sanctioned for sale by the government can be used in the mainland. Moreover, black marketers will be required to pay a hefty amount of import duties.
The delay of the new Apple smartphone was due to a lack of regulatory approval by China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. Currently, the iPhone 6 has cleared only 2 out of the 3 regulatory steps required by the ministry. China's biggest mobile operator, China Mobile, has announced it does not know when the new iPhone models will be available, but it is already accepting pre-orders from its Chinese customers.